todos los colores. J-Lo tiene culo, Beyoncé tiene culo, Shakira tiene culo, Buenafuente tiene culo. Para tú sentarte, usas el culo. Para tú bailar, usas el culo. Para caminar, usas el culo. Todo el mundo tiene culo.
Ang galing-galing naman ni Mark Hera.
Iba talaga si Mark Hera.
Alam ba siya nag-choreograph niya lahat na yan? Lahat?
Wait, teka lang, Marvin. Can you feel the tension? Kasi ako nararamdaman ko na.
Dug, 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 dug. Yes! Ang tindi ng energy ng ating mga SOP wants you hopefuls.
Nakuha ba nila ang approval ng ating mga matitinik na judges?
Okay, simulan na natin sa ating unang judge. Dance Diva, Regine Tolentino. Second judge, Dance Master, Jason Zamora. And the legend, Miss Jeline Eugenio.
Ngayon, pakinggan natin ang comments nila for the Group 1. Please step forward, Group 1.
Group 1, please step forward. Okay, simulan natin sa ating dance diva. Regine, what can you say?
Alright, Group 1, good job. Kaya lang I felt for She-Wolf kasi kahit simple yung mga moves niya dyan sa video niya, sana mas hinigit niya pa yung level ng difficulty. Medyo simple yung choreography. I felt that it wasn't as clean as it should be. Pero pagdating sa characterization, panalo naman kayo. Talagang mga werewolf naman kayo dyan. Pero work on it.
Busog sa characters, pero yung choreography sana inangat pa nila.
Kailangan todo nyo na, di ba? Competition to eh.
Okay, Jason?
Hello. Hi. Nakita ko yung galaw nyo, yet alam kong meron pa eh. Hindi pa ako na-entertain. So, meaning you have to build your character more and loosen up. Masyado kayong intense. So, masyado kayong intense. Kailangan i-loosen up yung sarili nyo para mas galaw-gaw, mas masarap panoorin.
Mas enjoyin nila
Give it
yung...
100% daw.
Oo. Pag contest, fight kung fight.
Yes!
Parang yung hikaw ni Heart.
Tumalon na yung hikaw ko. Okay,
Kumafight.
now let's go
The
for
legend.
Miss Jeline. Yes.
The legend.
The legends.
For me, parang you lack self-confidence. Kasi yung mata nyo malikot, tingin ng tingin, you know? So, pag nasa TV, hindi dapat ganon. And firstly, you should enjoy what you're doing. Okay? So, medyo mag-focus kayo sa sa self-confidence. Kasi yun ang importante pag nagsasayaw talaga.
I guess, Heart, halos pare-pareho sinabi natin mga
Yes.
judges, di ba? Todo nyo, confidence, at bigay
Give it
talaga.
your all. Oh, ibigay mo
Oo.
na.
Thank you very much, Group 1.
Right.
Thank you, judges. Now, tawagin naman natin ang ating Group 2. Okay, now, pakinggan naman natin ang sasabihin ni Miss Jeline Eugenio sa ating Group 2.
Well, this group, I was very much entertained. Kasi, hindi lang hip-hop ang ginawa nila. They also did jazz and a little bit of ballroom. So, versatility ang pinag-uusapan natin. Pero, yung pa rin, nandun pa rin yung kaba, di ba? Pag nagsasayaw talagang all out with smiles, project, and entertain the audience. Yun. Pero, I loved it.
Merong variation pero hindi nyo pa rin binigay ang todo nyo. Try again next time, okay? Group 2, thank you very much, Judge. The legend. Now, Group 3, please step forward. Thank you, Group 2. Jason?
Alright, siyempre hip-hop nag-enjoy ako. Yung pa rin ang masabi ko, kulang pa rin sa attitude. Yet, you were loose sa pagsayaw. Na-entertain ako. Pero kahit anong sabihin natin, kahit anong gawin natin, basta nasa entablado tayo, make sure na individually na-entertain kami pag isa-isa kayo sumasayaw. Pero as a group, you did good.
Wow, okay na rin yun. As a group, okay kayo. You just have to work on individually yung galingin
Yes.
ninyo.
With conviction dapat.
With conviction.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Group 3.
Thank you.
And now, may we call on our Group 4.
4.
Ito na.
Okay.
Regine, what can you say?
Alright, well actually, dahil simple lang yung steps nyo masyado, kay Mark ako nakatingin. Pero when it comes to dancing, because it's a fun dance and the choreography is such, is really interesting. Entertain naman ako, kaya todo kayo sa pag-project. Pero yun nga, like I said dun sa ibang mga numbers natin, since it's a competition, sana dinagdagan nyo pa ng mga moves that are a little bit more difficult, a little bit more versatility, like different types of dance, and mas ma-highlight pa yung mga girls kasi parang naging masyadong masculine yung mga moves. Kailangan nyo rin balance yan para lahat maganda. Yun.
Pero Marvin, na pag nag-uusap kami dito, ang daming cute, ang daming maganda. Yan ang masarap talagang ilabas natin ngayon. Because SOP, what's ganyan?
Ganyan, mga cute,
The whole
magaganda.
package.
Ano magagaling?
That's good. Okay.
Thank you very much, Group
Thank
4.
you so much.
Thank you. Thank you to our judges. Talaga naman, complete package dito sa SOP. Nandito si Heart eh.
Nakso. Dito kayo, Marvin eh. Pagdating sa confidence level.
Iba. And to our 40 hopefuls, ang iba sa inyo, well, medyo sasabihin natin na magpapaalam na kayo, pero ang iba, mananatili ang kailang dance journey dito sa SOP.
How exciting kayo. Let's find out the results of SOP Wants You later on the show. And of course,